All right, guys. So page 108 on your textbook, question 11. Anne earns $9 for working a $40 week and $13.50 an hour for overtime. Okay, because overtime you get paid more, right? Okay, 50% more in this case, actually, which is exactly 50% more. All right, I'm recording. Okay. Any hour over 40 hours is considered as overtime, right? Actually, technically in Ontario, if you work 8 hours, anything more than 8 hours in that day is also considered overtime. Okay. So if you work 10 hours today, you have 2 hours overtime, right? Even if you only work one day, you still have 8 hours regular hour and 2 hours overtime. So it's not anything more than 40. Okay. It's actually anything more than 8 on that day. But anyways, for the purpose of this question, okay. So make a table value of Anne's earning with her hours worked up to 50 hours, okay? We use 5-hour intervals. So let's take a look, okay, for Anne, okay? And so which one is the independent value, guys? Which one is X? Hours? Okay. Okay, hours. And then money, right? Income, right? For Anne, okay? So we got 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay. Woo. I fit it all in. Okay. Almost couldn't fit, okay? Okay, so if she works 0 hour, she doesn't get paid, right? 5 hours, she get $45. 5 times 9, right? 10 times 9 is 90 and 135, 180, 225, and then 315, 360, 405, 450, and 450 is 450, that's a regular hour, right? That's 40 hours, right? Okay. But let me just let me just scratch out 45 and 50, okay? 45 and 50 is a little bit different, right? Guys, okay? Because 45 hours, but the 5 hours would actually be overtime, right? So that's 450, okay? So on top of 450 plus 5 hours of overtime, so it's actually 450 plus 5 hours of overtime, which is how much money per hour, Abby?
I did it wrong.
No, that's fine. How much money per hour in overtime?
13.5.
Thank you. Okay, Bhavneet, what is the result? Oh, you didn't do it? You didn't do it? Bhavneet, you didn't calculate this? Nathaniel, what's the result? Okay, that's fine. So 13.5 times 5, which is 67.5, right? Plus 450, okay? Which is 517.5, okay? Does it make sense, guys? Okay. 50 hours is 450, which is your base pay, right? Your 40 hours of pay times $9 an hour, plus 10 hours of 13.5, which is $135, right? 135 plus plus 450 is 585, right? Guys? Yeah.
It's 405, which is your base. No.
450. 450. Because it's 40 hours, which is your base pay, times $9 an hour. 4 times 9 is?
I didn't see the I didn't see that over within 45.
40 hours. Oh, no, wait, hang on. It's actually 9 times 4. No, 360. Wait, okay, I probably wrote too many numbers in here. It's 360, sorry. 360, actually. 40 corresponds to 360.
Oh, nice.
Sorry. Okay, sorry, I used the wrong number as a base pay. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, I didn't match the number. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to match, but let me see if I can match all of them. Okay, yeah, okay, like that, okay. So which is 360, sorry. Okay, 360, so 67.5 is 427.5, and then 135 plus 360 is 495, okay? Cool, like that. Okay, now, make a table of value, okay, after 50 hours. Cool, that's A, right? That's A. Let's go to B. I have to clear this, so sad. Okay, page 108, B, right? B.
We weren't supposed to graph it, I thought, because since we're
Yeah, you
doing it
said
on
make
the
the tables and they will graph it.
No, I want you to graph by hand first and then graph on the computer later. You learn both.
You make so many graphs.
Okay, let's do it together as a class, shall we?
Yeah.
Okay, table of values to graph this graph because it's so easy to do on a computer. If you just use a computer, you're not going to understand or know. Right, Abby? So we got hours at the bottom, right? And then we got pay on the side, right? So we got hour, which is 5, 10, 15. So I'm just going to do 20, okay, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That's it, okay? I don't want to write all the numbers if I don't have to, right? So the minimum amount is 0. We'll start with 0. Maximum is 495. So can we just do 500 here? 500. And then do 250. And then 100, 150, 200. 100, 150, 200. Okay? 200. And then 300, 350, 400, 450. Okay? Okay, like that. I will even erase the 250 because I just want the hundreds. Okay? How about that? Okay? It's not the most beautiful, but it works, right? So we got this. I'm just gonna do a screenshot and then delete it later. Okay? So we can just use the number on the second page in here. Okay, so we got 0, 0, right? 0, 0. And then 545, right? 545, 10, 90, right? And then 15, 135. And then 180, 2180, right? 25, 225. 25, 225. And then 30, 270. Oh. 35, 315, right? Wow, they do line up, eh? 40 is 360.
This is a good paying job.
Nathaniel, okay. Cool.
Yeah, where does he work?
Oh, it's only $9 an hour. Come on.
Potato
I make it a couple times more than that, okay?
They make potato.
Okay. 45, however, is different. 45 is 427. Hey, guys. 50 is 497. So, okay, I'm not going to draw the line. So the question is it a continuous line or a dot, just a whole bunch of dots?
It's a full bunch of dots.
Okay, it's somewhat continuous because are you going to get paid for 4.75 hours?
Yeah.
Yes, you can do that. Actually, when you punch out the card, right? Yes, you can actually, your accounting department will actually give you extra pay or less pay if you leave early, by the way, okay? But here's the thing though. If we are calculating Gatorade, can you buy 2.75 bottle of Gatorade?
Yes.
No.
Are you going to cut the bottle and pay less?
Yeah.
Nathaniel, be serious.
I honestly don't know what happened.
No, okay. The answer is no, okay?
French chocolate.
Okay, that's not good. Don't do that, okay? Nathaniel, okay? That's no good. Hey, Nathaniel, you're being recorded. I'm recording this for you to watch later. Oh, now you're serious. Okay. Let me send that to your mom.
No.
Okay. All right. Why does the line change at 40 hour, which is right here?
Because you start overtime.
So do you think it goes up sharper or goes up? No. Okay. Shallower, sharper, right? Because so it goes like this and then like that, right? You see that in your computer graph. In here it looks like a curve, okay? So because I'm drawing by hand, freehand, okay? No ruler, okay? That's a little bit big difference. If I actually draw it using ruler, it would actually look a lot better, right? Okay.
So when you do overtime, you get paid more?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it spikes up and then it levels out.
Yeah, it was like.
No, it doesn't level out because if you work beyond 2 hours of overtime in Ontario, instead of 50% more, it's 100% more. So it actually even goes up by more. Yeah. So I remember in a meat factory that I worked at, I get paid $10 an hour because that was the minimum wage back then, right? So one day I actually worked 10 hours. So they pay me 10 hours for 8 hours, and then I get paid 15 hours for 2 hours, right? But then they have a batch of sausages they need to make, and they want to finish on that day. So instead of 15 hours, at $15 an hour, I work another 2 hours. So I actually got paid $20 beyond the 10 hours actually. Okay, that was pretty sweet. Okay, pretty sweet. Anyways, that was on the last day too, by the way. Last day of my summer job. Yeah, I get paid like $4,000 in a summer job for 2 months. Yeah, $4,000. Not bad though, right?
How old do you have to be to do that?
I was 16.
Oh.
16. Yeah.
3 more years for me.
Okay. All right. So guys. So in order for you to graph this, right? To graph this, let me just show you how to do that. Okay. Okay. I should just start a new sheet here. But I'm not gonna actually give you the link to it. I want you to do it by yourself, right? So this is N, okay? And we got nth hour and we got nth pay, right? Okay, pay. And then N works 1 hour, no, every 5 hours, right? 0 and 5, and then you establish a pattern, and then you just drag it to 50, right? Oh, perfect. Wow.
Wow.
Experience.
Yay.
Experience, okay? Anyways. So, and the pay is equal to the hour times how much money per hour? 9. Thank you, Abby. 9. Enter. And then I'm going to click back to this box, and I'm going to drag down to, do I drag down to 50?
No.
40 only, right? Let go. Oh, don't worry. 45. I'm going to actually edit 45 out anyways, right? Equals what is it?
13.5.
No. 13.5, sure. 13.5 times hour, but that's no.
Oh, 360. Yeah.
Okay. So it's 30.5 times bracket hour minus 40 because you only get paid overtime for anything over 40. Right? Plus 360. Okay? Plus 360. I'm just going to keep 360 here. Okay? And then I'm going to drag it down. Oh, sorry.
Whoa.
Drag it down. You see 427 and 495, right? If you go back here, 427 and 495. See? That's exactly the same, right? Okay, guys? Right. Okay.
And then grab it, and you just click insert.
And you choose this exact area, insert, chart.
Oh,
All right, you can see the spike, right? Good. Now, so this is graph number 1, right? And we got number 12 to do, okay? So let's go through number 12 quickly, guys. Okay, page 108, question number 12. The submarine at sea descends, so I'm gonna just draw a submarine. Okay, it looks like a fish, but anyways.
It looked like a shark.
Okay.
It looks like a pancake. I like it.
Okay. Anyways, with a window. With a window. Okay. Okay. The windows are probably round like this. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. What's up? What's up? I can't. Can you type your question? I want to make sure I can hear you, but I can't really hear you. Okay, I'm gonna copy an actual submarine here. Okay, that's a realistic submarine right there. Scary one. Okay, so a submarine sinks or descends 50 for every 5 minutes, right? Okay, so descends 50 meter for every 5 minutes, right? So make a table value for 5 minutes up to 30, right? So what is the x-axis, guys? Minutes, and then this is? Oh, thank you. Yeah, that would be the right word. Someone asked me a question. Let me take a look at the question quickly. Ravia, do we have an assignment?
I think I know where they're at.
She should just check Etsy. Ravia, I answered your question by email already. You should really just check Etsy like everybody, and you should know exactly where you need to submit. And I'm in the middle of my explaining. I don't know why you want to interrupt to ask me a question that you already asked by email, which I explained. Okay. Anyway, Abby, 0 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20. That's it, right?
Yeah.
30 minutes. Okay. And then, Nathaniel, hang on. Okay. If you didn't dive, then the depth is 0. So your sea level, right? Okay. If you dive for 5 minutes, then
50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300.
This is a little bit easy, right?
3 million.
Cool. So the x-axis is minutes, and then here is depth, right? Let me just write down the separation line here in blue, which means water, right? So minute, we got 5, 10, so 10, 20, 30. Okay, so we got 300, right? So can we just do 300 here? 100 and 200, right?
Yeah.
So 0, 0. We got 0, 0, and then 0, 0, 0, and then 550, right? 10,
10,
100,
100,
15,
150,
150, and then
200,
200, 20, 200, 25, 250, and 30, 300. Okay. So the question is it dots or continuous? Because you can dive for 7 minutes, right? Or 6.25 minutes, right? Does it make sense, guys? Okay, cool. So the equation is depth is equal to what times minutes?
50, no, 10 times M.
10m, okay? 10 times m. Okay, cool. Cool. Now, here's the thing though. When we do the submarine here, right? I'm just gonna show you the submarine here, okay? The sub here, okay? So this is time, and then this is depth, okay? Time is 0 and then 5 minutes, right? And then all the way to 30, right? Wow.
perfect again.
Okay.
Again.
When you're a teacher. My eyeballing is pretty good. Hey, Nathaniel. Okay. What is the equation here? Equals to?
Equal. Time.
So left. I just press left. Or you can use the mouse to click time, right? And then?
G4. Times.
Asterisk. Yeah.
Times.
5.
Yeah, no, 10.
10. Abby's right. Okay. And then you click onto this box, go to the bottom right corner, and then drag it down. Boom. And then you select that area, you insert chart.
Whoa.
Okay, you can do this, or you can actually customize it to the area chart if you want, right? Okay, looks good too. Okay, guys, any questions? Okay, so I trust that you can use this video and also generate this. Now, what I want you to do is, how should we do this? Okay, you can use any way to print it as PDF. Let's see, if I actually print this into a PDF, it looks like this. That's pretty good already, okay? And then I will just generate this as a PDF, or you can do a screenshot and put it in Google on Jamboard or on Google Slides and then export it as PDF, okay? But submit a PDF, please, okay?
Do we have to print this for tomorrow? Like when you
No, just do it right now with class time, okay? I'll give you class time to do it. You got
Yeah, like finish this now, but we have to print it up. Like,
No, just submit it on Netsby. I'm going to create an assignment for you to submit on Netsby, okay? Great.